This Caannasweis Nonstick Granite frying pan skillet is a great addition to any kitchen. It boasts a non-stick surface. Food slides off easily, and cleanup is a breeze. This skillet makes cooking simpler. The 9.5-inch size is perfect for omelets and frying eggs. It's also good for small meals. The beige color looks nice, and the granite finish adds a touch of style. The Caannasweis Nonstick Granite frying pan skillet is induction compatible. This makes it versatile for different stovetops. It is PFOA-free, so you can cook without worry. Many stars would rate this pan highly. This Caannasweis Nonstick Granite frying pan skillet is designed for everyday use. It feels sturdy, yet it is not too heavy. The handle is comfortable to grip. You can easily flip your food. It's like a magic carpet for your eggs. This skillet offers good value and performance. It's a reliable pan for your cooking needs. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: non-stick surface, easy to clean, induction compatible, PFOA-free, heats evenly, durable. Lightweight, comfortable handle, good for omelets, stylish design. Cons: smaller than expected, box may arrive opened, missing parts possible, thin aluminum possible. Bottom may warp, handle screw may loosen. Lower oven safety temp, not widest cooking surface. Features: non-stick, granite, frying pan, skillet, omelet pan, fry pans, egg pan, stone cookware. Chef's pan, induction. This beige 9.5-inch Caannasweis frying pan is made with a non-stick granite material, so food should not stick easily. It can be used for omelets, eggs, and other frying. This pan is also called a skillet, fry pan, omelet pan, egg pan, stone cookware, and chef's pan. It can be used on induction stovetops and is made without PFOA. This pan is designed to make cooking easier and cleaner. This 9.5-inch beige Caannasweis frying pan has a non-stick surface, is easy to clean, and works with induction cooktops. It is PFOA-free, heats evenly, and is designed to be durable and lightweight with a comfortable handle, making it good for cooking omelets. However, some users have noted that the pan is smaller than they expected. The box might arrive opened, and there's a possibility of missing parts. There are also concerns about the pan being made of thin aluminum, which could potentially lead to warping of the bottom and loosening of the handle screw. And it has a lower oven safety temperature and a cooking surface that isn't the widest.